Onyx, back again with another unboxing. Today, got a package from Bloob. Let's get into it. This one took a long time to get here. Took a bit over 2 weeks, so it was a pretty long wait. So I'm super excited to finally have it in. As you can see, it is a deck. Got a bunch of stickers. Gotta love it. Pretty much good on Bloob stickers for a while. Alright, so got 26 millimeter in the toast mold, which is Bloob's low mold. Here's the graphic. Alright, let's crack it open. Get a closer look. Comes with a sheet of tape, more stickers. Tape feels pretty good. It's that 3M backing tape, so you know, it's pretty decent tape. Let's take a look at the deck. Got this really cool embossed top ply. Here's the mold. Super low. It's probably going to be the lowest deck that I have. Let's compare it with my sponsor's low mold, Aesthetic Fingerboards. Definitely way lower. Let's compare it with a Live for Your Die low mold, N57 low mold. Yep, lower for sure. Last but not least, let's compare it to Dynamic. It's even lower than a Dynamic deck. So yeah, overall the toast mold is a super low mold, and yeah, gonna be my first time trying a deck this low. Gonna be setting it up with some dynamic tape, some dynamic trucks, some Bloob wheels, 67s. Been really enjoying these Bloob wheels a lot, so we're gonna do a full Bloob setup. And last but not least, gotta have my apathy bushings on the dynamics. These are mediums. Alright, I'm gonna set this up and I'll be right back. All done. Setup came out really clean. Super happy with it. Alright, time to see how it feels. Alright, so I've been skating it off camera for a bit, and it's a really good mold. I really enjoy it. Lowest deck I have, and super sick. definitely recommend it. If you're like me and you enjoy a more realistic style, then I'd say definitely give the toast mold a try. Peace.